children. So in our ICT lesson, we have been talking about computer coding, okay, for last 2 months now. So what's computer coding? Yes, the method of giving instructions to the computer is known as computer coding. And who give those instructions to the computer? Very good. The computer programmers do it. Yes. So now when computer programmers, they give instructions to the computer, they have to keep few terms in their mind. So the first one is algorithm. That means the instructions, the set of instructions. Okay. So they should have set of instructions to give to the computer, right? The second important thing is the instructions should be in sequence, okay, in proper order. If the instructions are not in order, then we will not get the desired result. The computer will not work properly, okay. The third thing is loop. Loop is a process of giving repeated instructions. So if something is being repeated, okay, that is called looping. So the computer programmers, they loop the instructions till the time there's another set of instructions given to stop that task. All right? Yes? Okay. Then comes the decomposition. So decomposition means breaking down the instructions or complex instructions into smaller parts. So they should know how to break down the instructions into smaller parts so that the computer understands it and performs the task properly, okay, to get the desired result. All right. In our last lesson, which was a live session, we spoke about this term called bug. You remember? So can somebody tell me what is a computer bug? Yes, come on quickly. Okay, I'll give you an example. Say for example, my stomach is paining badly. Okay, that means my body is not functioning properly. There's some problem in my body. Okay, there's something wrong with my stomach. Okay, yes. So that is called, because my body is not working properly. Because of it, I can't concentrate on my work. I can't sit. I can't teach. So what is a bug in computer's language? Very true. Yes. So what is a bug, children? A computer bug is an error or mistake or a problem, okay, in a computer program, due to which the computer does not work properly. It does not give you the correct results. All right. Like the example I gave you. I want my body to be healthy, but today my stomach is paining, because of which I am not able to teach you people properly, or maybe I'm not able to eat my food. I'm not able to go for a walk. My body is not behaving properly. I'm not getting the desired result because there's a problem in my stomach. All right. So what is similarly a computer bug means a problem in the computer's program, because of which the computer does not perform properly. Okay, it does not give you the desired results. So let's see. See what happens is, children, computer programmers, they are also human. So sometimes they make mistakes while writing codes. Okay, you know what codes are? Instructions. Okay, so they make mistakes while writing codes, due to which the computer does not work properly, and these mistakes are known as bugs. Okay, so we say that there's a bug in that program. Why? When do we say that? When that program does not work properly. All right. I gave you an example of my laptop last week. My laptop was not functioning properly. Yes. So there was a bug in that program of mine. Okay, there was a bug. Okay. Now, okay, first let's look at this example. There's another example for you. Okay. So here is it. This is an example of an algorithm for brushing teeth. Okay, so let's imagine that there's an alien who has come to the earth, and you have to give instructions to the alien so that he is able to brush his teeth properly. Okay, and these are the instructions which you have written. Okay, you remember the flow chart? Yes, this kind of flow chart with the arrows. Yes, okay. So now what will he do is, what's the first step? Fetch the toothbrush, fetch toothpaste, put toothbrush in mouth, put toothpaste on toothbrush, brush your teeth, rinse and spit. So these are the instructions you're giving to your alien friend so that he knows how to brush teeth now. So what do you think? Look at these instructions carefully. What do you think? If he follows your instructions, would he be able to complete the task without any problem? Will he be able to brush his teeth as you wanted him to brush his teeth? Look at it carefully. If you wish, you can read it and see if the instructions are given correctly. The programmer has given the instructions correctly or not. Alright. Now let's read them. Fetch the toothbrush. So he'll fetch the toothbrush. Okay. Now he'll fetch the toothpaste as well. And then the step 3 says put toothbrush in mouth. And then step 4 says put toothpaste on toothbrush. Oh, that's a big confusion. For a person who is brushing his teeth for the first time will get very much confused here. How will he put, first he has to put the toothbrush in the mouth and then he has to put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Is it not very confusing? Yes, he'll be very confused. Your alien friend will be confused and will not be able to brush his teeth properly because there's a mistake here. There's an error while giving the instructions. Okay, so we have found come on, what will we say? A bug. Yes, there's a bug here in this algorithm or in this flow chart. Okay, now what should we do now? We have found the mistake. Now what should we do? We have to correct it. So we'll swap the steps. Okay, I'll put step 4 here instead of step 3 and I'll bring step 3 down. Okay, so now it will be like fetch toothpaste, put toothpaste on toothbrush, put toothbrush in mouth, brush your teeth, rinse and spit. And now if you give him instructions in this order or in this sequence, you will get the desired result and your alien friend will be able to brush his teeth without any confusions. Okay, so what did we do here? There was a mistake. That means that was a bug and we found that mistake and we corrected it. Yes, so the process of finding the mistakes and correcting them is known as debugging. Okay, so the process of finding and correcting errors in computer programs is known as debugging. Alright children, so do you understand what's debugging? Now the same example, my stomach is aching badly, my body is not working properly, so there's something wrong with my body today. Now what will I do? Will I leave it as it is, or should I do something to get rid of that pain or ache? Yes, I'll go to the doctor and the doctor will ask me a few questions and will say, that is something wrong you have done, Miss Renu. So now I'm giving you medicines and you have to take these medicines, right? So the doctor has found the error, found the problem, and he or she has given me medicines to correct that problem as well. All right, so in computers language this is known as debugging. Okay, so if there's a mistake, that's a bug. To find that mistake and to correct it is known as debugging. All right children, okay, now here there's a sheet. Okay, the sheet has 6 pictures here. Okay, so if you look at the question, it says cut out the pictures I would request you not to take the printouts because it will not be very colorful then. So I want you all to draw these pictures and put them in correct sequence. So now the question will be changed here. So first of all, you have to look at these pictures properly, okay, and draw them in sequence. Okay, this is a picture which shows how to grow a flower. So you have to draw the pictures in sequence, okay, and then you have to write an algorithm or write the instructions to tell your friends and your teacher, which is me, as in how to grow a flower. All right, so we are talking about algorithms. You have to write it properly. Don't make any errors, okay. So this is the assignment. You can complete this assignment by Friday in your ICT notebook, okay. Do you understand what to do? So all you have to do is draw these pictures in sequence, okay, as of how to grow a flower, and then write the instructions as well. So in front of the picture you'll write the instruction, then the second picture in front of it you'll write the instructions, okay. So you have to do it in sequence. All right, children, so this is your homework or the assignment in ICT. Please complete it by Friday, okay. Thank you so much then. Bye bye.